What's up, guys? So we're back. Previous video I told you guys that I was working on the 1983 GMC C1500 square body. I was cleaning out the engine bay. I took off the tire fenders, and I should get those sanded down today. But while I was doing that, I took off the pulleys, got those painted up, and right now I'm currently working on painting the inside of the engine bay, making that look good. So here's this right here. So I put on this right here. I took out all the emission stuff and I threw the tank and I made a mess. Which sucks. But whatever. Hope you guys can hear me through this mask, but make sure to wear your masks and get those paint fumes away from you, because those things are starting to get me high. So yeah, safety first always. I've got it masked up pretty good. Sucks that it's a windy day. Hate painting in the wind. I really want to get this over with, get this finished, put it on the market. So I'm gonna paint this up and see what happens. I also need to fix this whole rat's nest of wires, but that should be easy. I gotta paint these and these still, the exhaust manifolds and the valve cover. We're also gonna get a new carburetor. Should be in this week. Just waiting on it, and we should be on the road. Just took out the radiator. It's getting cleaned out right now, and yeah, so let's get to it. Let's start painting this bad boy.